Hello dears, today we are going to discuss about another part of the chapter on the face of it. So as we know, it's a story about a teenage boy, Derry, and who has a burnt face. Now the character Mr. Lamb, who's a disabled old man with an artificial leg made of tin. So one day Derry accidentally enters Lamb's garden so that he can hide himself from people who hate him because of his ugly face. And Mr. Lamb welcomes Derry in his garden and also encourages him to lead a normal life, leaving behind his past. And Mr. Lamb keeps on telling him to think about the positive things. And Mr. Lamb tells him that there is nothing to be afraid of. And Derry then says that people are afraid of him. And he might think that he is the most frightful and ugliest person. So Mr. Lamb makes a guess about Derry's burnt face, and perhaps the boy got burnt in the fire, but Derry says that he got acid all down that side of his face and it burnt. So the old man says he is interested in anybody and anything that is made by God. And Lamb tells that some kids call him Lamb because of his artificial leg, but it doesn't disturb him. And the people talk about Derry to console him that don't feel sorry for themselves, and they try to console people suffering from physical impairment by asking them to think all those people who worse than them. So let's continue our chapter. So Derry says that his family worried about him, that what would he do in the future with a burned face. So as a reply, Mr. Lamb said that Derry had everything: two arms, two legs, two eyes, two ears, etc. And he wanted to make Derry realize that he had so much which many other people were deprived of. As we already said, the people are trying to console him that we have to just look upon others who had nothing like this. So here Mr. Lamb also tried to realize that he had so much things which many other people were deprived of. And he added that Derry could accomplish a lot of he if he determined to do so. So Derry asked how was it possible, and Mr. Lamb replied that the same was he did. So here Mr. Lamb is explaining about the things he did in his life. Derry asked if Mr. Lamb had any friends, and Lamb replied that he had a few hundred of them. And Derry further said that still he lived alone in such a big house. And Mr. Lamb told that he have hundred of friends, but he is still living alone. So Mr. Lamb said that everyone was in his friend. Many people visited the garden, and the gate remained open. They sat here by the fire in winter season. Kids came to pick apples and pears and to take the honey toffees made by him. So he is explaining about his life. Lamb is explaining about his life. So Derry said that he was not a friend of Mr. Lamb's. Mr. Lamb said that Derry was a friend because he had not done any such things that should seize her friendship. Derry said they did not know each other well to become friends. So again and again Derry is telling about a negative thing. So here Derry is replying that they did not know each other well to become friends. But Mr. Lamb did not consider that to be important. It's not important. So he did not need Derry's particulars before becoming friends with him. So he did not want anything from Derry. Mr. Lamb said that if he wished, he could tell by him his name. And Derry replied that his name was Derek. So here we can see that the first time Derry is introducing his name as Derek. But he disliked it and wanted to be called Derry instead. Okay, here we can see that his real name is Derek, but um, he disliked that name and he wanted to be called Derry instead. And he added that he might not visit the place in future and then they would not remain friends anymore. And Mr. Lamb asked the reason, and Derry replied that one crosses many people while walking down the street, might speak to a few of them and never see them again. So here Derry is giving an example that we are crossing many people while walking down the street, and we might speak to few of them, but we will never see them again. And they did not mean that they had become friends. And Mr. Lamb commented that it did not mean that strangers were enemies, if not friends. And Derry said that they were nothing, just people. So Mr. Lamb again replied that it could not be that people were nothing to each other. And Derry told that there were some people whom he hated. So Derry is explaining about the people whom he hated. And Mr. Lamb replied that hatred would harm him more than the acid that had only affected his face. So here Mr. Lamb is trying to explain about the term hatred. And according to him, hatred would harm him more than the acid that had only affected his face. So that Derry commented that only his face. So Mr. Lamb said that a bomb explosion blew up his leg, but there were worse things that could happen. One could burn himself up from the inside by the negative feelings. So here we can see that Lamb is explaining about the person having negative feelings inside can burn himself. Derry said that when he had returned from the hospital, a person had said that it was better if he had remained there with people like him. And he added that people think all disabled persons should remain together at one place. So one day, one person had said that it was better Derry had to remain there with people like him, like acid victims. So the people think that disabled people should remain together at one place. And Mr. Lamb added this meant that people without legs should remain together and the world would become imbalanced that way. So here Mr. Lamb is explaining that just consider that people without legs should remain together, which means the world would become imbalanced because of the artificiality impairment. So Derry said that at least no one would stare at the other because all of them were similar. So Derry is considering there in a positive way, like that at least no one would stare at the other because all of them are similar. Okay, so Mr. Lamb asked Derry that did he mean that he was like all other people with burned faces just because they had similar appearance? So many questions are raising by Derry and also Mr. Lamb. So he added that everything was different. Although all things are the same, yet they are different. So Lamb is telling that all the things are different. All the things are same, but they are different. Here, Derry got confused. And Mr. Lamb said that our habits of watching, listening, and thinking differently made us different from each other. So the things that we made us different, that is the habits of watching, listening, and thinking differently. So Derry said that he liked Mr. Lamb's house and garden, and he replied that Derry was always welcome there. Derry said that the people was not his. Mr. Lamb said that everything was his if he wanted it to be, and he added that all his possessions for everyone. So Mr. Lamb said that, Mr. Derry said that he liked Mr. Lamb's garden and the house. As a reply, Mr. Lamb replied that it will be every time open. Derry said that they probably would not like to enter the place upon seeing him. Maybe they would look at his face, get scared, and run away. And it is the first time one person is talking nicely with Derry.